The future of AI may not lie in artificial intelligence, but rather in artificial intuition. While current AI technology is capable of executing commands and tasks, it lacks the intuitive and predictive abilities that are necessary for problem-solving and preventing disasters. To illustrate this point, let's consider the real-life story of a math professor who travels by an auto rickshaw. Despite being uneducated and poor, the rickshaw driver is able to quickly and accurately solve complex math problems without the use of pen and paper. This is an example of intuition at work. In today's world, AI is used for a variety of tasks, such as data analysis and automation, but it lacks the intuition and foresight needed to predict natural disasters, war-related crises, and disease outbreaks. These types of events require a combination of intelligence and intuition to anticipate and prevent. In order for AI to reach its full potential, it must be infused with intuition and real-world knowledge. It should not rely on commands or prompts, but rather have the ability to intuitively alert us to potential disasters. Only by combining intelligence with intuition can we harness the true power of AI to help create a safer and more secure world.